It's quick and simple to add and change inventory items and their modifiers on your Clover device. Today, we are going to show you how. First, we are going to select the Inventory app, which is pre-installed on your dashboard. Next, select Categories on the left-hand menu. Next, select the green plus button on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, add your category title. For this example, we are going to create a category titled Men's Shirts. Now hit Done. And this will bring you to your product page within the category you created called Men's Shirts. From here, we can add our items that are associated with that category. Again, we are going to hit the plus button on the bottom right. Select the item name field and enter the item name. Our example here is short-sleeved t-shirts. Here, you can select if this price is fixed or variable or per unit. Now, set your desired price and the inventory quantity. Next, make sure your taxes and fees are set per your local and state requirements. And then we're going to hit Save on the right-hand side. Now you can see that the item we added, short-sleeve t-shirts, is now in our category Men's Shirts. The next step is to create modifiers, which can include sizes or colors for your new item. Next, we are going to select Modifiers on the left-hand side, and then the green plus button in the bottom right corner. Here, we name our modifier group. We are going to name our modifier T-shirt colors. This will bring you to a page to edit your modifier group. Here, we can edit the group as well as add the specific modifiers to the group. On the bottom left, select Add Modifier and add the name of our modifier. We are going to call this one Blue and set the price of this modifier. For this example, we are going to keep the price at 0. Hit Save and then save once more to lock in our modifier. Now you will see your group T-shirt colors under our modifiers category. The next step is to attach our modifiers group to our category. We will go back into the Categories menu on the left-hand side. Select our category and the item we want to attach our modifiers group to. Once on the Edit Item page, scroll down to where it says Modifiers and select the blue pencil. And select the modifier category you want to attach to the item. Then select Apply on the right-hand side. Then select Save on the Item Edit screen. The next step is to double-check our item and modifiers are in our Register menu. Hit the Home button and select Register. Now you can see in our category menu, Men's Shirts is here. Select the category and you will see the item has been added. Click on the item. And from here, you can see under our Men's Shirts item that the modifiers we added are now available to select and can be added to our order. As you can see, now in the current order, our item short-sleeve t-shirts and our modifier Blue has been added to our order. And that's how you add an inventory item with a modifier. For more how-to videos, go to appstar.net/help